In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your image gallery on Midjourney Web. We'll walk through where to go, what to click, and what you should expect to see so you can quickly find all of your generated images in one place. This is for the Midjourney website experience, not the Discord workflow. Start by opening your web browser and heading to midjourney.com. Give the page a moment to load fully. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual Midjourney login. Being signed in is essential, otherwise your personal gallery won't appear. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and make sure any ad blockers or script blockers aren't interfering with the site. Once you're on the site, look toward the lower left corner of the page. You'll see your account area, typically showing your avatar or username, and right next to it there's a small three-dot icon. This icon is often called the More Options or Kebab menu. If your sidebar looks collapsed or you don't immediately see the icon, hover over the left edge of the screen or expand the sidebar to reveal it. On smaller screens, it may sit slightly higher or tuck under your avatar, but it's still in that left side area near your account. Click the three dots to open the quick menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Profile and click it. You may also see other options like account settings, but for your gallery, Profile is the one you want. If the menu closes too quickly, just click the three dots again and select Profile. After you click Profile, you'll be taken to your profile page where your images are displayed. Give it a few seconds if you have a large library. Thumbnails may load progressively. You'll typically see a grid of your generated images, your recent creations at the top, with more below as you scroll. Depending on your account and visibility settings, you may also see different sections or tabs, but the default view will show your images in a clean, browsable layout. Hovering over a thumbnail will usually reveal basic info, and the page header will confirm that you're viewing your own profile. That's all there is to it. Go to midjourney.com, click the three dots near your account in the lower left corner, select Profile, and your image gallery will be right there. If something doesn't look right, double check that you're signed into the correct account and try refreshing the page. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring your Midjourney image gallery on the web.